If you're selling anything online, candles, skincare, rugs, furniture, anything, your product catalog, your inventory counts, your order statuses, all of that lives in a database. And if the words set up a database make you want to close the tab, don't. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to build a full e-commerce backend with Airo AI Builder. I'm Courtney Robertson, developer advocate at GoDaddy, and this is inside Airo AI Builder. Think of it this way. Right now, a lot of small business owners are tracking their products in a spreadsheet. Maybe Google Sheets, maybe a notebook, might even be WhatsApp messages. That works until you have 50 products, 300 orders, and a customer asking where their package is. A database is like a spreadsheet that can talk you through your website. When you add a product to the database, it shows up on your storefront. And when a customer places an order, the database records it. When you update a status to shipped, the customer can see that automatically. It's also like a filing cabinet that organizes itself. You don't search through the folders, you filter, sort, and pull exactly what you need in seconds. If you're running an online store, even a small one, you need this. Inventory tracking, product catalogs, order management, admin dashboards, all of these depend upon a database behind the scenes. So let's actually build one. Let's meet Kofi. He's 22, based in Tamale, Ghana, and he runs Kofi Shea, a natural skincare business. He sources raw butter from the women's cooperatives in the northern region and sells finished products. Right now, he's managing everything through WhatsApp, messages, and a notebook. He's ready to go digital. Kofi also has ADHD, and so when he talks about what he needs in an admin panel, he's specific. He wants a clean, minimal, no visual clutter. That's not a special requirement. It's just good design, and Airo AI Builder can do that. So right now, Kofi's app has no product catalog, no inventory tracker, no order system. It's a blank slate. You can see that I've got a version of the site already built so that I could practice running through this prompt with you. We're going to tell Airo AI Builder to create products in a database for Kofi Shea, a natural skincare business. The fields to include are product image, name, category, body butter, lip balm, hair oil, gift set, etc., price and GHF, stock quantity, the status, if it's in stock, low stock, sold out, and a featured toggle. Also create orders database with the number, the name, the email, the product, quantity, total price, order status, if it's pending, processed, shipped, or delivered, and order date. I want you to build a clean panel where I can add products, update stock, and manage orders. Keep the layout minimal, no clutter. So let's go to Airo AI Builder, and I'll paste that prompt in. And it's good to think about those specifics of like, here are the specific details that I have or want. And you may choose to include things like your color palette, or if you already have a logo, you can come in and upload that as well. It's come back with the results, and I've gone to the admin area. You could see I've got a dashboard plus two other tabs for products and with all of Kofi's fields specified. It also built an admin panel linked directly to those tables. So let's walk through what's here. Under our product table, we have the image of the product in a little thumbnail that's here, along with the description name. You could see a category, some pricing information, the amount of stock that we have left, the status of it, if it is one of the featured products or not, so I can enable something to be a featured product, and it's all connected together. And also on the side, you see that I can edit the information if I ever need to come in and change the price, or I can delete that. In the orders table, you could see that we've got some different information. Here we've got the order number, the customer name, the product description, the quantity left, the price again for the total, the status, the date, and if we need to do any kind of updates to this. So if I wanted to say that it's going from pending to processing to shipped to delivered, I can do just that right here. Notice the status badges. They use both the color and icon labels. That's not just an aesthetic. It means someone that's using a screen reader or someone that's colorblind can still read the order statuses at a glance. That's it. We described what we needed, and now we have a full e-commerce backend. Now let's see this in action. Kofi adds products through the admin panel, a shea body butter, a lip balm set, and a gift box. Let me do that now. And now you can see that I will add in my product. I have filled in all of those fields. We're listing it as featured, and it doesn't have an image yet, but later if I have that image, I could come in and edit that, or I could go back to Airo AI Builder and ask it to give me a field in which I can upload an image. Let's take it a little bit further. Ko-fi wants customers to be able to filter products by category and see what's in stock. Let's go back over to the Airo AI chat, and we're going to ask it this time to add a filter on the storefront so customers can sort products by category. Show low stock badge on any product where stock quantity is under 10. Make sure the badge uses both color and a text label, not just color. AI Builder has come back with the results, and I asked it to publish the updates. You can see customers can now browse based upon the category at the top, and they can also see at a glance which items are running low. The accessibility call out here is that those stock badges aren't relying on color alone. There's a text label as well. That matters for the 300 million people worldwide with color vision and deficiency. And Ko-fi didn't have to think about compliance. He just described what he wanted clearly, and Airo AI Builder got it right. The database isn't separate from Ko-fi's store. It's what makes the store work. Ko-fi's database isn't just for his storefront. Here's where it will get really powerful. For business operations, he can add a field or a supplier name and cost price to track margins. He can automate low stock alerts so he knows when to reorder from the cooperatives before he runs out. In marketing, every order captures a customer email. That's a lot of mailing lists. Ko-fi can segment by what people bought. Body butter customers get one email. Gift set buyers get a different one. Personalized outreach built from the data he's already collecting. Which products sell the most? That's a great area to study for your analytics about your business. What's the average order value? Which category brings in the most revenue? All of that is sitting in his database, ready to query. In the customer experience, a returning customer could see, "Welcome back, Amma," and get a recommendation based upon their last purchase. That's not magic. It's a database doing its job. In customer experience, returning customers could see, "Welcome back, Amma," and get your e-commerce database isn't just for your app. It's for your emails, your marketing, your analytics, and your growth. A few tips for you to keep in mind. 1, be specific in your prompt. Name your fields, list your categories, include real examples. The more detail Airo AI Builder gets, the better the result, and the fewer credits you spend on follow-ups. Number 2, start with the basics. You don't need 15 tables on day 1. Start with the products and orders, add customer tables later, then add an inventory log. Grow your database as your business grows. Tip number 3, test with sample data before you launch. Add 5 fake products. Place 2 test orders. Update a status. Make sure everything flows the way you expect before a real customer hits buy now. So we went from a blank app to a full e-commerce backend. Products, orders, admin panels, stock alerts, category filters, and we didn't write a single line of code. Ko-fi Shea Butter is ready to take orders. Try it for yourself. If you build something cool, drop it in the comments or share it in our Discord community. If this was helpful, like and subscribe. More of these are coming every week. What would you sell with an e-commerce database? Drop your business idea in the comments. I really want to see what you're building.